Reduce cholesterol levels, acidity and heal stomach issues with just 1 glass of this drink in the morning. Cumin is a natural herb, which seeds of the plant are used as medicine. The herb grows about a foot tall and is native to China, Mexico, India, and the Mediterranean. Also, it's commonly used in ancient Rome and in medieval times. Nowadays, cumin is quite popular as a spice all over the world. Like all herbs, this one is very familiar due to its unique flavor, countless health benefits, and powerful healing properties. Cumin, apart from cooking, it's an extremely potent natural remedy, which helps you improve your overall health. Also, cumin water is an incredibly beneficial drink, rich in magnesium, potassium, copper, and iron. Here's how to prepare curcumin water recipe and immediately reduce cholesterol levels. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of cumin, a glass of water. Preparation: soak the cumin in the water overnight. The next day, heat up the drink, strain it, and consume it throughout the entire day. Here are the amazing benefits of just 1 glass of this drink in the morning. Prevent colds. This healthy drink treats inflammation and relieves all cold symptoms, such as runny nose, fever, sinusitis, and other virus infections. Additionally, it improves the immune system, which helps you prevent flu, and battle against germs and microorganisms. Lower blood pressure. Cumin has amazing medicinal qualities beneficial in the treatment and prevention of hypertension. Alkalize the body. Consuming cumin water on an empty stomach fights body acidity and reduces stomach inflammation. Also, it cleanses the body from accumulated waste and toxins. Boost blood circulation. On the other hand, cumin water relieves pain by improving the blood flow in the whole body. Lower cholesterol and promotes weight loss. Drinking cumin water on a regular basis lowers bad cholesterol levels. Plus, it reduces the risk of heart diseases and promotes the weight loss process. Treat stomach bloating. Many people experience bloating after meals, which can be very uncomfortable. Luckily, this drink will help you treat this problem. Relieve stomachache, headache, and low hemoglobin. The high iron content will elevate hemoglobin levels and ease headaches and stomach aches. Lower stress. Because of its high antioxidant properties, cumin helps with issues such as depression, anxiety, insomnia, stress, bad mood, and fatigue.